If you're buying a home, you'll be glad that you watched this important video. Buying a home is filled with emotions, excitement, and sometimes fear. It is one of the biggest investments people make. On this video, we will discuss the secrets of how to find and buy the best home for you by avoiding the common mistakes that are often made that cost home buyers thousands of dollars, and unfortunately sometimes result in the wrong home being purchased. Let's discuss how to buy the best home for you. Firstly, it's important to establish your price range. There's no sense wasting your time looking at homes above or below your price range. We can then help you get access to the very best financing. These are special home loans that we have access to with the lowest interest rates, the lowest monthly payments, and the lowest down payments. Having your pre-approved financing in place enables you to carry a big stick and negotiate from a position of strength so you can get the very best home at the best possible price. To get started with your free approval process, please call or text us at the number below so we can begin with a free phone consultation. This is not a sales pitch. This is an important first step to take before you work with a real estate agent. Now, after we help you secure the best financing and have established your price range and detailed home criteria, including the location and important home features, we next begin to search for your perfect home. Many agents go about this in completely the wrong way. They pick out 6 to 8 homes for the buyer to look at, and they hope that their buyer buys one of them. Instead of taking away control from you, we give you control by providing you priority access to all of the homes, including priority access to distress sales, bank foreclosures, vacant homes, and those homes recently reduced in price. Importantly, we also provide you exclusive access to homes not publicly listed for sale. Yes, some of the best homes never make it to the open market. They're never publicly available. After you tell us exactly what you're looking for, we go into those neighborhoods and we search for the perfect home so you can beat out other buyers to the best deals. So our goal is to find you the perfect match for you. Now, the way we begin the process is with a free phone consultation. First, let's determine what you're looking to achieve and make sure it's the right move for you and your family. So a free phone consultation allows us to learn more about your moving plans. At this time, we'll get you pre-approved for the best home loan. The phone consultation and the home loan pre-approval is absolutely free of charge, and you're never obligated to do anything. So call or text us at the number below to get started. Now, once we find you the perfect home, you will benefit from our experience and specialized knowledge as we negotiate all the terms on your behalf, including negotiating the lowest price, your desired possession date, what is included with the home, and any repairs that need to be completed at the owner's expense. We will make sure that you're protected by adding important clauses into the offer. For example, adding a home inspection clause to ensure the home doesn't have any problems, like problems with the furnace, electrical, roof, or a host of other issues that would be unacceptable to you. Perhaps you already have a home that you need to sell. We'll explain to you the best options on how to time these transactions so you don't get stuck owning 2 homes or no home at all. We have your back through all negotiations, and even after closing your home, we are here to be an important referral source for you. For local contractors and services, we are here to make your home purchase a smooth, worry-free transaction. A common buyer mistake is waiting too long to start the home buying process. Don't wait until the last minute to get started, or you may end up not finding the perfect home. It's better to start your home search too early versus too late. We would recommend starting the process at least 4 to 5 months in advance so you can avoid making mistakes, especially if you currently own a home. This gives you time to sell your existing home for the highest price and align your moving date so you have a smooth transaction. We recommend that you begin with a free phone consultation to provide you the information that you need as a home buyer. So we do offer that totally free of charge and without obligation. And rest assured, this is a no pressure, no sales pitch conversation. We want you to be certain that this is the right time for you to purchase. If it makes sense for you to do so, we can discuss what you're comfortable with on house payments so you know exactly what price range you're looking in. So what I'd encourage you to do is just have a quick phone consultation with us at no cost or obligation. Simply reach out to us at the number that you see on the screen. And you can either call us or text us. But let's set up a time for a 10-minute quick phone call so you can move forward in the home buying process. So there's no commitment whatsoever. You can move forward and access the helpful information you need, getting you the guidance you need, and determining if now is the right time for you to make your move. So reach out to us at the number you see here on the screen. We will have a free phone consultation with you, and I think you'll find it extremely helpful and educational. giving you a better understanding of how the home buying process can work for you and how to get access to the best homes available. Simply reach out to us now at the number below. You can call or text us, and let's make your moving dreams a reality. Thank you for watching, and we hope to hear from you soon.